Good morning. Today we're going to do paint and trim. Not a big fan of painting, but we're going to get it done, get all the trim up, and either today or tomorrow we're going to bring the chicks out for a little field trip while I continue working on some small odds and ends, making ramps up into the coop, all that kind of stuff. So we are close to being done. Well, you get the idea. We're going to continue on. I'll show you the results when we're all done. Alright, so 2 coats of paint and we're ready for trim. I'm going to cut and install all the trim on the coop here, and then we'll paint the trim, and that'll be that part of it done.
So a trick my dad taught me was to hold the trim up and mark it and then cut it rather than use a tape measure. In this case, I'll get more accurate cuts and all the joints will fit together tighter. That's what I did for the majority of the project. It works really good on the parts that are angled, like the laying box and stuff as well. That way I'm not trying to mess with the protractor or anything like that. So at this point I started building the cover for the clean out hatch on the inside. I switched from a finish nailer to a stapler. I'm using some caulking for a little extra adhesion, and I'm overlapping the trim over the edge of the cover about an inch so that the seam will be hidden on the inside. You'll be able to see that later when I start working on the trim inside of the actual coop itself.
Everything said and done this weekend, we got quite a bit done. I think this is a pretty good success so far. I think the chickens are gonna like it. They were on a little field trip today. I put them in there for a little while I cleaned their brooder box out, and they seem to enjoy it. So in a week or two, they'll be permanent residents.